everyone, I am LaJoy and I am the creator of the Color Office. I decided to come from behind the camera to talk to you and give you some information about the Color Office. So how did the Color Office come to be? I used to do acrylic pour lives on TikTok, and I would talk about the different paintings or the different colors as if they had personalities. Like, oh, red is taking over, she's always bullying the other colors, or orange and red don't play well together. So I thought maybe it would be kind of fun to have characters and let them give their reviews of the paintings. That's how Color Office came to be. On Instagram, on Facebook, it's the Color Office Show. And on TikTok, it's the Color Office Painting. And I wanted to take this time to go over the paintings we did in season 1. So the first painting was a flip cup with red, white, and blue. And the results of this was really beautiful. Of course, the colors had their opinion of the painting.
Like always, red tried to take over.
I don't know what the problem is. I feel as though red brings out the patriotism in the piece. I mean, really, it wouldn't be a piece without red.
I was just happy to be a part of the piece.
And I love the way this painting turned out. This was my first time. Now, one thing about me, I like to mix my own paint. But I tried some pre-mixed paints, and these are the pre-mixed paints that I got from Hobby Lobby. They turned out pretty well. So this was episode 1, and this one was the sunset painting in episode 2. We use yellow, orange, pink, white, and a little bit of red in this painting.
Let's hear what the colors have to say about the painting.
Honestly, I don't know why orange and red was in this painting.
I don't know why I'm catching straight.
Everyone had a role to play, and I think we all did a great job.
I think the painting is beautiful.
The painting is beautiful, and it's beautiful because orange did what it was supposed to do. You see, orange kind of took over the painting. So yellow had some complaints about how orange kind of bullied her way in this painting. And you can still see some pink if you look close. Pink is still there. White kind of faded into the background, but there's some white right there. So this was one of my favorite paintings. I think it turned out really nice. Thank you for watching this behind the scenes episode of season 1 of the Color Office. We will have a part 2 of this series, so make sure to like and subscribe. In part 2, we'll cover the rest of the paintings from season 1, and we'll give you a preview of what's to come in season 2. So make sure to hit the notification bell to see when the next video posts.